Hey everyone, I just want to talk to you about this Owltron smart outdoor security camera. Now I'm a big one to prioritize safety, and if there's one way to do it, it's with this device. So I'm excited to unbox this and show you exactly what it entails. So this Owltron smart cam, which is model R1, is a really great product with the ability to feature 2K high resolution and built-in spotlights. Now the Owltron Cam R1 outdoor security camera clearly records every moment to guard your household. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like. First of all, the packaging is really great, immaculate, clean and very specific, and comes with, right off the bat, comes with your Owltron instruction manual, which is great to start it off. It doesn't come with a lot, it goes straight to the point. Now, like I said before, it's a 2K resolution, it's waterproof, it also has two-way audio, and this is clear, has clear night vision. So I'm gonna just take this out over here. I see that's the plug, that's the AC DC adapter over there, and we have some of the connections. Oh, I see there's also some, they provide the mount, so you can screw it in and mount it against wood or against any plastic. Like my boat is made out of plastic on the outside and the exterior, so I can mount that on there and it will be completely safe because it's waterproof as well. And last but not least, great, this is the 2K waterproof two-way audio camera. It's really small, it's light, and it looks like it's a really efficient product. The lens is wide as well, and it has a really long extended cord, so which means you can have it on the outside, you can have the camera on the outside and run your cord all the way to your DC adapter, and you plug it in and you're all sorted. Also, it's compatible with this app, so you scan the barcode over there and it will lead you either to the App Store or to Google Play. Download the app and it's an easy installation, almost like a 3-step installation, and you have it. As you have the footage, it goes directly to your app, and wherever you are you can see the footage, which makes it a really good product and a must-have. So I think this is a great product and I wouldn't hesitate to buy it. For your safety, get the Owltron R1.